Hi guys! We're here at Mt Annan Leisure Centre to have a weekday swimming with Blaire. Yeah, say hi first. Hi. Look, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna sign in. Thank you very much. Yay! Oh, good. You can go back to swimming lessons, yeah? Larry, you go back. Wait here. Larry! Let's go. Larry, come here first. Ay, dapat dinala natin yung ano nyo? Drive, ano?
Come to mommy, Blurry.
Come here, swing. Wow!
Let me see.
Video.
Blurry. Come to mommy, Blurry.
Come here. Swing. Wow!
Ano ba next week?
Ang gabi. Wednesday or Thursday, mami? We're gonna buy. Thank you. That's it, guys. We'll be back. Patrol. Good job. Yeah. There, mommy.
Blaire, can I order ice cream?
Okay, I'm back. I got it.
Oh wait, Daddy's still cooking the oven.
What?
He's fixing the oven for you. Okay, close it. Close the oven. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Microwave.
Good job. Can you cook it for me, please? Larry!
Wait, the hand wash is here. This is the sink. Mommy, I'll show you what we have in the back.
Okay. That's
Blaire.
heavier.
Blaire, show. We have the. This is the stove. That's the stove. This is the sink. She's got the microwave. She's got the dishwasher. And she's got the oven over here.
What else do you have there?
This
have
is
the-
the back kitchen.
Daddy?
This is the service area.
Mommy, sit down.
Sit down. Okay, that's the dining
Okay,
area.
guys, sit down in the dining area,
Dining
guys.
area.
Sit down, Daddy. Sit down.
Okay. Will I fit? Okay. Thank you. What shall we order?
Okay, I'll be back.
I want to order. Can I please have a burger?
Okay,
Hello, miss. It says close. Put open.
open.
Okay, we're open. I want to order some burgers, please.
Okay,
I'll be back. Oh, she's cooking, mommy. Oh, where's her frying pan? I finished? Okay, I'll eat now. Thank you. The spaghetti. Thank you, miss. Can I order a burger?
Order, guys. Order, guys.
Hi, miss. Hi.
What do you like?
What do I like? I want to order a burger
Okay.
and the juice, please. I want the juice, please. Thank you. Thank you, miss. Apple juice.
Okay.
And a burger. Wash your hands. Okay, wash hands. Thank you, miss. Careful. Thank you. Good job. Oh, wow. It's a burger. Thank you. So yummy. Where do I pay? I pay now. I pay money. I use my card, okay? Thank you. Okay, process my card. Downstairs, process. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, give me my card, please. Here you go. Thank you, miss. Okay, thank you. I'll be going. Thank you. Shake your hand. Thank you so much. Good job.
Wait!
I've already paid.
Order, please.
Order, please. Yay! Thank you for. Let's say thank you, tita. Thank you, ate. Yay!